It's already done it.
Oh, wow.
It's already on there. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. And so, you saw my yarn, and you see this. Would you pass this around, Vanessa? Oh, shoot. Yeah, just that one. And see how I do the thick and thin? That is what I do on purpose. I was at Scottish Games, probably St. Louis, I believe, and some fella came up and said, "Oh, you must be a beginner." I said, "Yeah, 10 years ago." If you're going to be that perfect like that little girl was doing, and go, oh, move the cat. Seriously. Yeah. Beginners have trouble getting everything perfect, and and once it stops pulling on like this, I will move the yarn up a hook. The hooks just move the yarn up and down the spool. It will get to a point where it quits. Shetlands are known as the wedding ring sheep. When we were there, they were very frustrated because the younger generation was not picking up the talent of doing this, and they have since then, and they're very grateful. So in the ceremony, the bride takes off the shawl she has on, and I think it's like a 3-foot shawl that she has. It's not some little bitty thing around the neck. No, it is a real shawl.